Hi guys, just want to tell you that in my experience of having birds, I find the budgies extremely intelligent compared to the macaw and the conures. It's a very intelligent bird that can mimic sounds of other birds. They pick up words. This is why it's important to spend time with your pet. They also love you as their owner. They treat you as their own part of their flock. Now you can see Broccolini here. He's got his full wings. He can fly away, but he won't. And that is because he loves me. He won't run away. He wants to be with me. And that's when you know that a pet loves you, when they don't run away.